Last year during our Best Drivers Car competition, we decided to stage a little drag race. Godzilla here literally ran away from the competition. But, as a few of you YouTube commenters pointed out, LOL, why no Aventador? WTF, where's the McLaren? Last year, neither car was on sale. However, this year, we've got them. Plus, 5 other Challengers and the Subaru BRZ. That's right, we have our 9 Best Drivers Car contenders staged up and ready to race. Jaguar XKRS, Ford Shelby GT500, Lamborghini Aventador LP700 4, Nissan GTR Black Edition, McLaren MP4 12C, Porsche 911 Carrera S, Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, Mercedes-Benz AMG C63 Black Series Coupe, Subaru BRZ. At the first World's Greatest Drag Race, the Nissan GTR had the goods to beat the almighty Ferrari 458 Italia. Remember, that was last year's car. For 2013, the GTR has more power. Now, do any of these other cars have what it takes to knock our king off his throne? There's only one way to find out. There you have it. The Lamborghini with the 691 horsepower V12 and all-wheel drive traction ekes out a win over the 592 horsepower twin-turbo rear-wheel drive McLaren 12C. Godzilla, meanwhile, slips to 3rd place. And the Subaru BRZ was just happy to be invited to the dance. Let's take a closer look at the finish.